who's going to talk about Eplimo, who's going to give us the deep insights about the Eplimo, is none other than Shruti. She is from V-Roots, and she's been with V-Roots from day one, and she is a specialist in Eplimo, and she has counseled more than 1,000 plus clients, right? So I think we are all very lucky to have her today to give us the knowledge. She had a very busy schedule. I had to catch hold of her. Yes. So I hope you're all ready. So please have your pen, paper, book, or your digital book, or whatever you have. Take down the notes. Yes, because now my Futureverse company is running a very special offer, right? Buy one Applimo and get one free, absolutely free. When our management has announced this, I was very happy because this is something very rare, right? So to grab this opportunity, we should know what is Applimo all about. So Shruti, I will not take much of your time. Thank you so much. So the screen is all yours. Thank you.
Thank you, Sushita. Thank you so much for the energy, and thank you so much for the wonderful introduction about me. Hi, everyone. How are you all doing?
We are fine and excited to hear about Eplimo.
Thank you. Thank you. That's great. It's really great. Come on, we need more energy than this. Right. Yes. And even I'm very excited to take this session. Mostly, like I think for the past few weeks or months, I guess, we've been dealing with products until this opportunity came up. So yes, so happy. Like today, my whole day was with Heplimo training. So I'm going to end my day with yet another exciting training again with you all. So yes, we all know why we have gathered here today. And I will be talking about our most fundamental, phenomenal, one-of-a-kind service ever. Okay, I would say one-of-the-kind service
Recording in
ever,
progress.
that you can get in this world. Why? Because there may be bits and pieces of this path that is already been, hot and running around. But to fill in or bring in all this into one simple and yet significant and a comprehensive package, a service that can in fact help us understand deeply about who you are or what we are basically, is what I'm going to be presenting today. And that's none other than Eplimo, which is epigenetic lifestyle modification, right? We all know what the importance of health is, right? Because wherever we want to excel, whether be it right from our school days, for our business, in our family life, personal life, professional life, wherever, whatever be it, if we have to excel, one thing that we have to actually, understand or what do you say, need to focus our health intact, how to actually improve the quality of health, because it all begins there. If we are not healthy, it brings up a disruption within our system, that is our body. And this, in fact, leads to other complications, which, in fact, messes up both our professional and personal life. Right? So I've been attending retreats again run by Sajeev Nair sir regarding this, where he specifically under scientific basis has explained how our brain, how our body, mind, everything has to come into one single place to understand how to excel and achieve peak performance. Now, this is not rocket science. It's very simple technique, but the base is to understand about oneself. So let me just start with my session here. I hope my screen is visible, right, to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Beginning with the expanding the epigenetic lifestyle modification. Basically, Eplimo is defined as a personalized modification plan, a lifestyle modification plan, which basically helps one understand about their own health Am I audible? I think I've been muted in between. I'm audible, right?
Yes.
Thank you. Yes, so Eplimo is nothing but a personalized lifestyle modification plan that helps us take charge of our own health and wellness. And this is completely scientific backed based on a genome metabolic analysis process. So why should one have to modify their lifestyle? How to improve their quality of life? How to achieve peak performance at all age categories? Be it like ever since from your 20s, if you need to keep yourself active and going till you reach your 50s, 60s and 70s, is that possible? Yes. Is it necessary that post the age of 50 that we have to fall sick or our energy levels come down? No, it's not a necessary thing. Like, it does not have to happen. The only thing is we need to understand what to do for ourselves, what is right, what is to be avoided. And for that, we need to have a guideline, right? We follow a roadmap to a certain destination. We follow a syllabus to achieve to get a degree. We have these rule books and all this protocol set up for doing one or the other kinds of work. Similarly, for keeping our health intact, to improve our quality of health, each and every one of us have a rule book, have a manual as well. And this manual is understood and decoded, which is the blueprint of ourselves called our DNA. We are basically understanding what informations are coded in our DNA, which is the blueprint of our working mechanism. We decode this information, understand what is good for ourselves and what is not, what is to be avoided and what is to be implemented in detail, starting with once one person enrolls into this program. So more than a product, this is in fact a program or a service that one does for ourselves, oneself itself, right? Now, what is the process? Let me start with that. Now, it starts with a genome metabolic analysis. First, it is the genetic analysis. We take 2 ml of your saliva sample. Yes, this starts with a test process. We take 2 ml of your saliva sample to decode the information present in your DNA. And it gives us around 200 plus comprehensive test package, right? 200 plus conditions are examined and analyzed here, starting with a nutritional profile, your organ specific conditions covering your gastro, liver, your kidney, your brain, your heart, your bone, your fitness conditions, like how your genes are responsive to different kinds of exercises, what is more suitable for you, right? Now, what nutritional, what vitamins and minerals are compatible to your gene, right? Your neurodegenerative conditions, your behavioral conditions related to anxiety, depression, etc. Complete genetic assessment is covered in this comprehensive package, which starts with a genetic analysis, which is a predisposition test, which basically helps us understand which all health conditions we carry a risk for, whether we are carrying in a high risk, intermediate risk, normal risk, or low risk, which all areas we are carrying a high risk for. And basically, to trigger these high risk factors, what all other risks, like what all other triggers that we follow in our day-to-day life, right? We carry a risk, but it doesn't mean that it has to get activated. This will definitely happen to us. No, there are basically triggers, okay, that actually creates a favorable environment for the bad genes carrying the risk. And we need to identify the triggers, which is basically present in our lifestyle, the diet we follow, our kind of, habits that we pick up, right? Like alcohol, smoking, medicine, certain medicines, whether we are following a sedentary lifestyle or an active lifestyle, stress, which is one of the most dangerous villain that can be a triggering factor for most of the health condition, basically. So stress, all these aspects are taken into account, which is covered under the metabolic assessment, the second part of Eplimo. right? This completes the genometabolic analysis. So in the metabolic assessment, we cover your health and your lifestyle inputs here. Both these inputs are taken into account to prepare a personalized lifestyle modification plan, which is the recommendation, which is categorized into three major sections: diet, exercise, and nutrition. So when we talk about diet, there are different kinds of food, which maybe you consider it to be healthy, and it's generally considered to be healthy as well. But is it healthy for you? When you are consuming it, when you are putting it into your body, is it actually suitable for you? Or is it in fact creating any kinds of, irritation or symptoms that might trigger to some other health conditions? We do not know that. We need to understand. Let's take the case of wheat. So there's a protein present in wheat called gluten. So gluten is not, most of us are gets irritations or symptoms or side effects while consuming wheat because of the presence of gluten. Same in the case of milk, right? So the sugar molecule lactose can be a triggering factor for many of the autoimmune conditions and for your digestive system as well. So if we are lactose intolerant, okay, we might not be diagnosed presently, but our bodies are showing certain kinds of symptoms whenever we consume milk or milk related products, because our body lack the enzyme that actually has to digest this sugar molecule. So when that is not present, this in fact creates irritations. For some, it might be related to digestive issues like bloating, diarrhea, etc. But for most cases, through our experience, we have understood that most of us develop skin-related disorders like itching, rashes, some kinds of hives, and they are not able to understand what it is causing. They might think it might be the lotions or some other products that they are using, some other kinds of dust allergies maybe, but it all starts from within. Okay, your health, everything, it starts from within. We need to detoxify ourselves. We need to understand what is to be put into your body. What is it correct? Is it the right one or not? So basically, who will tell you that? So generally, we have a general idea about what is healthy food, what is unhealthy food. We have categorized that. Fruits, vegetables are all in the healthy category, but when it comes to junk food, it's all in the unhealthy category. But have you thought about fat? Most of us think fat comes under the unhealthy category, but it is a very important macromolecule, right? It's a macronutrient which is very important for us. The point is what kind of fat you put into your body. That is how we need to categorize each and every food items, right? So we basically understand the person's body type genetically and analyze this and prepare a detailed diet plan that is suitable for them and will give them a long-term result. Along with that, it's very necessary to be physically active. And how many of us follow that? Nil, right? So whenever we are very excited about starting a physical activity, well, the first thing that we do is we go join a gym. And how many of us continue doing that? Again, the number is very minimal, right? Now, those who are actually going, they do face certain issues and then they stop in between. Lack of motivation can be a reason, or maybe they incurred an injury and it becomes difficult for them to restart. And again, that money has gone into waste for the, to join the gym. Everything goes out just like that. Now, we need to understand, even if we advise a person that you need to be physically active, and 30 minutes of exercise is enough, the most common thing that we advise is go for a walk. But how many of us are actually walking the right way? Simply walking around the house will not do. Now, if you're going for a walk also, there is a gradual increase, or there is a way that we need to effectively do so that it actually helps the improvement in your body. So again, when we are asking them to do an exercise, we are again stuck. What kind of exercise should I do? So we have a lot of different kinds of video. When we just look up in the YouTube, we get different kinds of options. Again, we are stuck there. So randomly just going for any kinds of workout, or, what we hear from here and there, from all that information, we need to understand what kind of workout will be most suitable for us so that we get a permanent result, which will be in a healthy manner. right? So if you go in the gym, definitely the trainer will help you find the best workout. They'll be training you. But the thing is, the workout that you're doing, is it suitable for you? Okay, is it suitable for your heart conditions? We correlate all these factors. We correlate with your entire report and your present health conditions and lifestyle, and based on which we curate a best tailored, personalized fitness plan, which is DNA based. Okay, a DNA based diet, a DNA based fitness plan. And again, the nutrition part, which is the most important, most health conditions actually gets triggered when there is an error in the nutritional level, which definitely can be corrected, right? So we need to understand what vitamins and minerals are metabolizing in the body. How are they metabolizing in the body? Is it correctly happening or not? If not, should I supplement it additionally? Yes, you have to, because there is a very big challenge of, ensuring that your body gets enough from the food sources that we take in. That's a very big challenge. And none of us can actually take in or eat that much of food as well. So in certain cases, we should definitely go for additional supplementation. That is how it is required, because we are not living in an ideal environment. Our body requires that. Supplementing with the right sources, right doses of supplements to your body ensures that your DNA, actually your DNA level itself, the right mechanism, repair mechanism, proofreading mechanism, everything happens in the right way. This will ensure in improving your quality of health. Right? Now, this is also generated. Now, the recommendation generated with the inputs are AI based as well. Now, finally, when the recommendations are ready, we have the genetic counseling, which is around 1 hour session, where the counselor helps in interpreting the report in detail, mainly focusing on the high risk, intermediate risk areas. And if required, additionally, we do provide a lifestyle coaching support as well, who will guide you in achieving your Eplimo, like your health goal. So what is the uniqueness of Eplimo here? As mentioned, a personalized diet plan. So mostly, most of the services, like you can see, we provide a personalized diet as well. So I wouldn't say that is completely personalized there, because it is based on your current, blood test. Current blood profiling is done. Based on your current values, your diet plan, everything has been changed. Right? But this can be dynamic, this can vary. The next time when you check, there can be changes, either positively or negatively. Now, the benefit of doing a genetic assessment here is that definitely you have to go for a blood profiling to understand your current health, but a genetic profiling helps you understand your risk levels, your risk areas, where you need to be a little more alert compared to the other parts. Out of the 270, maybe around 30 or 40 conditions that you carry a high risk for, you just need to concentrate a little bit more there. So you know what needs to be done. There is a clarity for you, based on which the right modification can help you achieve that state of health. So again, a DNA-based fitness plan, the recommendation, a complete analysis based on your genetic assessment. You understand what, medications work, right? You know, in terms of your nutrition, where you stay, what you need to put into your body more, what you need to focus on more. So after doing your Eplimo, the way you approach your food, everything can change. You understand, okay, this is more good for me. This is not that much required for me. I need to avoid this because this can cause a triggering to other aspects as well. So Eplimo is a total guide in terms of understanding the right way of, tailoring or designing your complete health or diet fitness aspect of it. Yes. So this I've already mentioned. So we first start with a V-Genome test, which is the comprehensive test package that we have, which is a DNA test helping you analyze your genes to identify your genetic pattern, how you are different from one another. Okay, they say that we are 99% same, but 1% different. And that 1% difference is what makes the whole difference here. So you as a person is a combination of your mother and father, yet you are not a carbon copy of them. You do show similarities with them. There will be a similar characters with them, but your taste, your uniqueness, your health, everything is different. Why? Because genetically and metabolically, you are unique and different. So what can be good for your parents, for your sibling, cannot be good for you. We need to understand. That is why Eplimo for each and every person will be unique. You might find a little similarity in the test reports maybe, but based on the recommendations that we are providing, it's completely different based because you are metabolically different, right? So these unique aspects. So when we say that we are advising you to do yoga in terms of fitness, so it's not that we are blindly going and telling that you have to do this yoga, but basically we concentrate on the pose, the different kinds of what kind of yoga practices that you need to do. Considering your health aspect, you carry a risk for these areas. So specifically, you are advised to go for this pose of yoga because it will help improve your digestive mechanism. It helps improve your posture, and it will improve in regulating your blood sugar level. So specifically for not only for back pain, for diabetes, for improving your digestion, there are different kinds of poses for that. So we go in a very deep and detailed, personalized manner for each and every one in this case. So yes, how is this designed and what is it exactly that we are looking into here? So as I said, this is not a diagnostic test. This is basically a predisposition analysis. That means we all carry a risk for a one or the other health condition. Now, this risk at some point of time can be triggered into a health condition. The susceptibility of developing that health condition, okay, that predisposition, that is what we are basically checking. So in an Eplimo analysis, your reports will specify whether you are carrying a high risk, intermediate risk, normal risk, or low risk. So for those of you who have already done it, you must have seen in your report about the genotype that you are. So it can be AA, GG, TT, AC, AT, it can vary. Now, your DNA is basically decoded, meaning it's coded with these four major chemicals, ATCG, adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. Okay, the arrangements of these chemicals, these factors in different forms is how your information is coded in your blueprint, that is your DNA. So we know we have trillions of cells and different types and different number of genes in our body, right? That is responsible for activating different kinds of producing proteins that has a function in our body. Now we are basically checking for each and every health parameter. There is a gene responsible. Maybe one gene is responsible for multiple health parameters. So basically in this gene, there is a location, a particular location wherein we are identifying what is that particular variant or that particular marker in that particular location talk about you. Just like as you can see in this slide here, taken 3 individuals here. Okay, now decoding their DNA, that particular gene has been taken. You can see in one particular position for the first individual, it is a C. Whereas for the second person, it is a T. Whereas for the same gene tested in the same location, for the third person, it is a A. So this uniqueness is what makes all 3 individuals different from one another. Now, what does this variant, this difference, talk about them? Now, this variant can be related to maybe a physical attribute like the color of their eye, their skin texture, etc. Now, we are not basically looking at physical attributes here. We are basically looking at the health parameters. So suppose a particular gene for here, for instance, here has been taken, studied, and for that particular location, maybe C specifies for a high risk, maybe for, coronary artery disease. Now, T specifies intermediate risk and A specifies, A genotype specifies a normal risk. Now, a person who's got a normal risk, does that mean that he is safe throughout? Not 100%. It simply means that their DNA has the capacity to, their DNA already has the capacity or a protection given to them. But if at all his lifestyle is not in the right manner or in a unhealthy manner, compared, like in some point of time, this can get triggered. Now, a person who's got a high risk, does that mean that it will definitely happen? Again, the answer is no. It simply means that compared to the person who's got a normal risk, the percentage is maybe 80% or 60% higher compared to a person who's got a normal risk. Just with an example, I'm specifying here, as taken the case of coronary artery disease, the most famous, the most prominent gene actually studied here is CDKIN2A. Just for an information, you need not, memorize all these things. Now, with this gene studied, and you can see the markers here marked in red color: high risk, intermediate risk, and low risk. So, in simple terms, consider a person who's got a low risk, who is very vigorous chain smoker. And a person with a high risk for coronary artery disease, he is also a very, vigorous chain smoker. So considering both of them having the same habit, but having different risk levels, when considering this case, a person with a high risk will definitely fall victim to, a heart condition and maybe, a heart attack in the future also, maybe in 3 years down the line. Because the habit that he has picked up, and with this kind of a habit, he is creating all kinds of favorable environment, okay, weakening his heart muscles, whereas he's already got a genetic risk for that, weakening his heart muscles, creating a way favorable environment in such a way that he is actually creating a toxic effect within himself. So definitely 3 years down the line, he's going to fall victim to it. Now, a person who's got a low risk, is he safe? No. It might take longer time period. Maybe 8 years down the line, he might fall a victim to it. But it will definitely happen because that is how he has picked up his habit. His DNA has the capacity because he's already got the protection. But still, the habit has made it in such a way that absorption of nutrition will be very poor. Okay, he's weakened his heart muscles and everything has drained out, because of which definitely 8 years down the line, it is going to affect you. So this is how we compare, and this is how this is the glimpse of for you to understand how Eplimo can help one understand how to actually fine tune their lifestyle, what is to be taken care of, and what needs to give an extra care compared to the other factors. Now, what is the science behind all this? So you've understood what Eplimo is, why it is used for. Now, how the test has been designed, basically how we are checking, because if we are going for a blood test, definitely there are many parameters and you get a reference value. So you understand if your value is between this and this, what does it say? Is it normal? Is it in the borderline? Or if it is like a high risk area, right? So basically in your Eplimo report also, it is the same way, but we are not checking for any, mutation or valid markers here. Basically, we are checking for the variance here, which will help us understand about our health. Now, what is the science behind all this? So understanding your risk, the triggers, yes. Now, how is the solution being provided? And it all lies in your epigenetics. So just like I said, so you have a high risk. Is it necessarily, is it compulsorily that this is going to happen? No. Why? Because our DNA has the information coded. But there is something on top of that is actually, responsible for the expression of reading these information and resulting in the expression of that gene. That is what we call as epigenetics. Okay. In simple terms, it's nothing but your environment. So when you look into epigenetics, it's a vast area, a branch of science with very interesting aspects going on currently in this area. So much of research and upcoming factors, most of the, advancement in the medical fields is all, there's a huge part when it comes to epigenetics here. We are not going into the treatment aspect of it, not in a very deep way, but basically simple lifestyle modifications can help influence the epigenomes within our body to understand or influence them in such a way that they do not go and activate in the genes with a risk area, but rather than in the genes which you are, wherein you are carrying a good gene or a healthy gene there. Okay, so epigenetics involves nothing but something on top of genetics. So genetics is the branch of science that deals with the study of your DNA, genes, etc. So something on top, epi means on top. So that which controls the expression of these information, that is epigenetics, right? Your diet, the stress that you take, and I've already mentioned that the stress, whether you're following a sedentary lifestyle or active lifestyle, the medicines that you take in, all these influence your epigenomes and its expression within your body, right? So there is a beautiful, a quote for this. Genes are loaded guns, environment pulls the trigger. So when we talk about this, so your genes are like loaded guns. So your genes are carrying high risk for a particular condition. So it's just like a loaded gun. Now, for this to get triggered, for this to get activated, we have to ensure that, or we need to ensure that no favorable environment is created for this gene to develop or to, activate. These favorable environments are all unhealthy risk areas. Okay, so a repeated exposure of these conditions can in fact nurture this bad gene into activity, leading to a health condition. So understanding your trigger areas from your lifestyle, okay, that can in fact be a risk for these conditions to develop, we basically help one understand what kind of modifications to do. Instead of this, there is an alternate way for this. So this is how we make a simple transition, a simple replacement for the unhealthy aspect of whatever they are doing. Okay, it can also be healthy as well. For example, we get clients who say that I need not do all these things because I'm anyways doing yoga every day. I'm eating healthy. I don't take anything from outside. I don't touch junk food. I practice yoga, mindfulness, etc. But still, they are feeling very low energy throughout. There are some areas that they are not able to concentrate well, slight memory issues. So for a person who is healthy, this should not happen. All these are symptoms that your body is showing that something needs to be corrected because something is going wrong. If it is unchecked, that leads to that condition, right? So just to give an understanding about this is your DNA, all right? And you can see these factors here, these light green color factors, epigenomes. These are methyl acetyl groups. Just for an information, you need, as I said, you need not go deep into this. These, in fact, controls the expression of your genes. So by simple modification, mindful practices, helping you manage stress in the right way, okay, which can be practiced every day. This, in fact, controls your epigenomes in a way that which your, bad genes will not get activated. So you, to define your health, it's not only your good genes and your bad genes, but in fact, your epigenetics play a key role in defining the quality of your health as well. So coming into a detailed aspect of it, as I said, so these are all aspects wherein we check for your current health status, comes under the metabolic analysis, which covers your preferences related to your diet, your exercises, your biomarkers, which are your blood test values related to your lipid profile, your kidney function test, liver function test, etc. Okay, any health conditions that you are currently going through, what kind of a diet that you generally prefer, everything we cover in around this. There are around 100+ questions that we have correlated. Some questions can be answered in the form of yes or no. Some questions you may find very simple, and what has it got to do with our, with all these things. But each and every question is very valuable, and this in fact helps us understand deeply about you. These are all curated by doctors, in fact. So when it comes to giving a little more deeper insight into it, how you can actually approach your clients or for yourself as well. What can Eplimo do? As I generally told you, it helps you understand your health in a deeper level, in your DNA level itself. You can set your health goals based on that. If you are looking to reduce weight, okay, if you want to become an athlete, it might be related to your fitness level, to improve your heart condition, to come out of issues like fatty liver, to improve your blood sugar levels, to come out, reverse your diabetes, whatever be it, because conditions like cardiac health issues, diabetes are all, we are actually leading in these factors in a very alarming number, which is not bad, which is not good at all. And the most horrifying aspect is the younger generations are affected more compared to the older generations, right? So when it comes to obesity, we can curate a program based on Eplimo itself. So how is it different? Like how you can understand how to come out of this issue? So the thing is to understand, of course, to control your weight, you need to follow a very good, calorie deficit diet, implement a very good fitness activity, the right nutrition. You need to have the right nutrition. You shouldn't go for just simply dieting and putting your body under any kind of, deprivated state. But in fact, you need to ensure your body gets the right amount of vitamins and minerals. The essential vitamins and minerals should be provided, but how to control it, how to ensure the right quantity is being given, and it is actually helping you reduce your weight. So we need to understand, in fact, what dietary sources basically, resulting in this condition of overweight. If you are carrying a risk for obesity gene already, and if carbs is an issue, if proteins are an issue, if fat is an issue, it can be different for each and every one. Now, most of the cases we get. Now, if I've gone through this, like I've lost weight, I've gone through many other programs before, I've lost weight. But once I've stopped dieting, once I have lost weight and I've just gone back to my normal routine, the thing is, I have gained twice the weight that I've lost. Why is that happening? Maybe you are carrying a gene for tendency to regaining weight. Those informations, those things we cannot change. What risk you're carrying will stay the same. But we can definitely change the outcome of those risks. If you are carrying a risk for tendency to regaining weight, what is it that is causing the weight? Okay, what can be the triggers for it? That can be identified. That can be avoided. Alternative to that, a healthier option can be implemented, which can in fact result in a way that this risk will not get activated. You can educate your clients likewise. Your client can understand their body better and understand, okay, this is what is actually causing it. I need to avoid it. That is why this is working. Understanding this, implementing the right fitness can help you achieve that goal. You're looking for your improving your cardiac health again. So, a very interesting fact, for that sake, I would want to say, like, your cardiac cells, your heart cells cannot regenerate. It does not carry stem cells. It cannot regenerate. So most of the cases when you we know people who have gone through stroke, heart attack multiple times, okay, and they are under medication. They are under pressure. In fact, they are not able to follow a very good physical activity. They are in fact restricted in many areas, but this is not actually helping them, but basically deteriorating their health even more. Can they come out of it? Definitely they can. They can recoup. They can actually come out of it. The only thing is we need to implement the best reversal aspect by understanding what is to be concentrated more. So in terms of your cardiac health, we'll be able to help you understand which areas you need to concentrate more, what you need to put into in terms of your vitamins, minerals, what is it that you need to implement more so that you can come out of it. Can we completely reverse it? Yes, we can. So all these aspects we need to understand. For the doctors, this can be effective because understanding your genetic risk, the genetic assessment, it helps them plan out or curate the treatment in a quicker way. Because most of the cases, what happens, there is a trial and error process because even they don't know. They do it based on their current health, the blood profile. But sometimes it can also go wrong. They need to change the treatment protocol in between. So understanding, because it's not working for them. It's all connected with your gene. So how do they understand what needs to be checked further? Because for our cases recently, as I said, we are conducting retreat programs based on this. We get cases wherein young people below the age of 30 have got very high cholesterol levels, okay? And they are pre-diabetic, and most of the people are diabetic also, in fact. So based on their genetics, so most of them have taken their Eplimo also. Based on that, doctor further asks them to do certain tests, especially related to their homocysteine levels. So this helps us understand. The doctors understand, okay, what kind of supplements or what kind of treatment protocol to be prescribed to them. So that is the uniqueness of it, right? So all these are curated with the help of our team here, like genetic counselors, nutritionists. We have fitness experts here. We have doctors here who, all the recommendation profile that we are creating for you, it goes through each and every experts in our team before it is finally put across to you. Right? So how does this Eplimo help you? It helps us understanding the risk levels and how to lower it. So you are prepared. So that is why we say this is a preventive healthcare tool. You are prepared. You understand what direction to go for, where it is that you need to correct. You have a clear-cut idea on that. You are guided and you are, helped based on adjusting your lifestyle. Okay. Now, you can come out of uncertainty because you carry a risk for it. You need not keep worrying. Okay, yes, will I get this or not? So what might be the status? Should I, it is like this risk is running in my family. Will I get it or not? Maybe the symptoms that I'm experiencing, is it related to this or not? Right? So all those kinds of uncertainties you can come out of and you understand. If you're carrying a risk, it is there. But the best part is, you can take informed choices way before it is expressed. So giving you a glimpse of the conditions that we are checking, nutrition reports are there, cardiovascular, body weight and metabolism. This is where it gives us a detailed understanding about your weight loss goals, skin and hair, autoimmune conditions, neuromuscular, behavioral condition, gastro, liver, kidney conditions, bone, your eye health, your fitness panel, infections, lifestyle choices, aging and longevity. So as you age, how your cells respond to different scenarios, right? How your cells age, whether, there is a risk for antioxidant or repair mechanism, okay? As you age, whether there's a risk for your eye health, for your kidney health, each and every aspect. That is also, we have included in this Eplimo profile. So you understand how your cells age better or it is going to age badly. So even if there's a risk for that, as I said, there is nothing to be worried about. You get questions. Knowing your risk beforehand and not able to do anything, won't it put you into more panic mode? It is not going to put in. The idea is to change your perception of thinking in that way. The thing is, you know something beforehand, you know there is a risk beforehand, and you take the right diversion, the right choice to prevent it from happening. So that is how Eplimo can help you understand in that aspect. So yes, so different people have different nutritional needs and different vitamins and minerals actually, respond differently for different people. So how do we curate it accordingly? This is where it will become helpful for the nutritionist to curate their diet accordingly. As I said, they do it based on the current profile, which can vary. it's dynamic in nature. But if they get the genetic assessment details of their clients as well, curating the diet plan accordingly can be more effective and can get a better result. It can be tough for certain cases, but at least we know we are going in the right track. So exposing your body in that right track on constant basis, it can track the threshold and you will start receiving or seeing the results in your clients or maybe for yourself as well, right? So that's about it. Then regarding your fitness. So if you are somebody who would want to work out but do not have a clue how to start with, you're not finding results after going to the gym, you're feeling tired after doing workout. Very recently, I had a client who had actually said to me that he is intolerant to exercises. I said he's not, nobody's intolerant to exercise. The only thing is we are less motivated to do exercise. Now, would you believe me? For those who have done Eplimo, they know. But would you believe me if I say that even your motivation to do something also lies in your gene? If you are carrying a risk for low motivation, definitely there will be aspect of laziness. So now you don't have to blame your gene for that. I'm lazy because my gene, it says in my gene already. That's not the idea of it. But yes, if you are less motivated, then it is kind of a dangerous aspect also, because you are not putting yourself into that place or that space wherein we need to improve, come out of it. But we need to implement small goals wherein it is achievable, not putting more pressure on you as well, but step-by-step goals wherein you can actually achieve your health goal and you can also come out of it. Just because you're carrying a risk, it only talks about your, your behavior, your character, but definitely it's not the complete outcome of it. You can come out of it, but you need to know where to start, how to start. Okay, that getting a clear roadmap and clarity, you can, know where to start and how to go about it. Yes, longevity and healthy aging. I constantly get questions. Eplimos for younger people here. What happens for those who are maybe post their 60s or 70s? Is there any use of it? Yes, there is a use of it. Our oldest Eplimo customer 5 years back was 79 years old. And gracefully, that couple is still alive also. So they have been following a very healthy lifestyle and they had taken Eplimo to understand what they can do better to improve. Because there are certain uncertainties even they have been facing, but they wanted to get a better clarity. So yes, for any senior category people, if you want to take Eplimo for them, this can be a supporting system in improving their, immunity. I wouldn't say there might be a faster result. The results can be slow paced, but definitely there will be result. So any senior category people who are actually going through any kind of health issues, we'll be able to guide them better in improving their immunity, which in fact can help them be relieved in some aspect. It can help improve in their, digestion, their overall health, for their memory. Small improvements for them itself can actually, make them relaxed and happy itself. This can, in fact, if you can scientifically see, it in fact helps, calm down their stress hormones and brings about a better, immunity for them to develop. So yes, for senior category people as well, for your parents, you can definitely, I would suggest to get them to enroll into Eplimo to understand what is to be, improved for them, what is to be concentrated more for them as well. So for those who are, looking to improve their skin texture for beauty, I would say beauty begins from within. Right? So whatever you're trying to do with all the lotions and the creams, whatever you're externally trying to do will only work if internally you are detoxifying, you're cleansing out the toxins that we breathe in, that we take in, which hinders the absorption capacity of your cells to absorb all this nutrition that your cells needs to get from the food that you're taking in. It will actually hinder the process. So we need to detoxify that. You need to cleanse out your cells. We need to understand the right vitamins to put into yourself so that all your system works effectively. This, in fact, shows a better reflection outside. Your skin is your mirror, okay? A reflection to your health, in fact. So is there a chance to improve that? Yes. Again, as I said, understanding and putting into the right nutrition, the right mechanism can in fact improve your internal mechanism, which will show a very positive change in your skin health and in fact help you in improving your texture. Skin texture brings out a glow. I'm not talking about improve like being fair or anything. Whatever texture or color tone we all are, we are all beautiful, but definitely the glow, that is the beauty of it. That can definitely be achieved. Now, the process of it, as I mentioned in the beginning itself, this is the saliva collection kit that we are using, and it has got this collection tube. We need to ensure that a proper protocol is followed when collecting the sample. If you have taken any, if you've eaten anything, if you've drunk water, used alcohol, smoking, chewed gums, if anything has, if you have done, you need to ensure that you wash your mouth thoroughly, wait for an hour before you sit down for sample collection. Then a buffer solution is, you get a buffer solution along with the kit, which is poured into the sample, and this will help preserve the sample. Now, at the lab, now the first process is it checks the quality of the sample to ensure that we get enough yield of DNA. Good quality sample has been received, only after which the sample processing begins. DNA yield is extracted and it starts running to analyze the variance within us. And this is compared to different health parameters, and the raw data is given, which is converted into the report format. That is how you're seeing in which areas you have a high risk, intermediate risk, normal risk, etc. Okay. Now the report is available in the Applimo app as well. Otherwise, also we'll be mailing it in your mail ID provided. So in the app, you can see it this way: a drop-down menu of different categories: cardio, nutrition, neuromuscular, etc. It opens to different subcategories of normal risk, intermediate risk, high risk. Then comes the metabolic analysis part. You fill it up, your recommendations provided, and yes, we have the counselor. So in short, about the features of Applimo, you are actually, there's no other, because again, there are different kinds of genetic testing companies, and we are not basically doing any kind of for us, this information is to help provide the right lifestyle modification. And right now, in the current scenario, this is the only comprehensive test panel that you can get. Individually also there are available. There are different companies that are doing it. It is in a very high price range, and the other part is you are spending so much, but you're not reaping any results out of it, because they simply just give you the report. After which, what next? Right? So if you're doing a blood test, the doctor guides you at least, but after doing a genetic test, there's no point, because nobody is there to guide you. What next? You know the result, but there is nothing else to do. So here, based on the tools, based on the reports, we provide a complete personalized DNA-based recommendation plan for you, which is AI-enabled genome metabolic report. You get an access to the app, which is lifelong, and I don't want to reveal it now, but there are exciting features coming in the app as well. And this, in fact, actually help you analyze, staying at home itself, you'll be able to understand your vitals, etc., without having to, step out of your home. There are interesting features coming in. Very soon it will be announced. Then you get your entire health data. So in Applimo app, not only your genetic data, in fact, whatever blood test reports that you've done so far, you can also save it in the app itself. So you need not actually carry around the reports, because we cannot do it, and we can also misplace it here and there. So you can feed all this data in the Eplimo app. So in the app itself, there is a complete history of that person, genetically as well as the current aspect also. You can give the names, whether it's prescription, whether it's what report, what date it has been taken, everything can be added in the Eplimo app itself. Okay. And the best part is, it's a once in a lifetime investment that you're doing for your health. Right? So every year we take these big health insurance plan. Every year we are paying a lump sum amount to it, expecting that some point of time we are going to get sick. That is why we are taking health insurance, because it's something understood. I don't know why that mindset is coming. We are going to get sick some point of time, so let's take a health insurance. Why don't we just change that attitude, that thought? Why should we get sick? We can prevent that from happening. And that too, it's not that costly at all. And as Sushita already mentioned right in the beginning of the training, the once in a lifetime offer that you're getting, I don't think so this is going to be repeated anyhow. With the Raksha Bandhan, festival that we've been celebrating, this has been put out wherein you have an opportunity to invest one for your family as well at the price of one. Right? So we are running a 1+1 offer wherein not only for yourself, but also for your sibling, okay, for your family member, you have an opportunity to get an Eplimo done for them at the price of one. So I would say, grab this opportunity, and this is going to vanish any point of time. We don't know how long this is going to run, and this is not going to come back even. So yes, I have done it. With that confidence is how I have been, counseling my clients. I've been promoting this as well with a personal experience of understanding. Okay. And yes, I know most of you have already done it. For those who haven't, I would say experience it for yourself, and then you can find the difference on that. Yes.
So thank you so much, Shruti, for wonderful insights about Eplimo. I'm sure you all must have been excited, and we have got so much details. See, I being in a nutrition field, yes, I've been counseling a lot of clients saying you have weight loss, I have you do this, you do that. But at the end of the day, we being in the field, we know that one size doesn't fit all, right? You go to a store, you buy a extra small might fit you, double XL might fit somebody else. The brand is the same, right? So the same is with the diet. It is the same with supplements. Yes, of course, vitamin C is good for everyone, but the same lemon juice might cause an allergy for some ABCD XYZ person. We don't know, right? So Eplimo is a wonderful opportunity that we have our health in our hands. We have our future in our hands. They say ignorance is bliss, not at all, right? As she said, we invest thousands and thousands of money in insurance saying that one day I might fall sick. But my dear friends, we are all in the part of wellness industry where prevention is always better than cure. So thank you so much, Shruti, for the wonderful insights about Eplimo. I have learned so much. Thank you so much. And the floor is open if you have any queries.